we're looking at the newest Redmi. This is our look at the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to Today's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Another day, another Redmi. We featured a lot of those on this channel. In this video, we're of course looking at Xiaomi's latest drop. We're gonna unbox, we're gonna see what's new, we're gonna get our hands on time, a camera tour, and even some sample shots. Before that, first things first, let's unbox. What's the big deal with this new Redmi 14 Pro Plus? First of all, it drops a 200 megapixel camera on the back, and it has AI features like AI Erase, AI Beautify, or AI Image Expander. That should be fun for your photos. And this phone, powered by a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, it drops 120-watt charging on a 5110 milliamp hour battery. Right, let's take a closer look at this phone. Right, absolutely loving this purple back. As you can see, it's a vegan leather texture. Again, it's a light lavender, and there's that little stitching detail on the sides. And this sort of tapers off, so no hard lines on this phone. You have your cameras on this side, volume rocker and lock button. And as you can see, that's a curved display on this phone. At the bottom, speaker grills, USB-C port, you have your SIM tray, and a clean other side. This is a very elegant looking and feeling phone, I would say. And really quickly, here is the Redmi Note 14 side by side. And as you can see, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus definitely does look more elegant. Right, a quick camera tour time. Hello, you have wide 1x, 2x, 4x, up until 10x. Hi. And then back to wide. Up top, you have your different settings, and there's an AI camera feature on here. You have macro, you have time burst, watermark, shutter type, so all different features. And then you have your beautify mode, you have your filters. On the side, you have your portrait mode, and this does like wide and this close up. You can't really toggle in between. You have your aperture settings, beautify mode, and then filters. You get a night mode that does wide 1x up until 20. Wow, that's a lot. Wait, it's not stopping. You can do up until 30 times. And then back to wide. And then you have more. You have a pro mode, a panorama mode, a slow motion mode, dual video, time lapse, and long exposure. Now, on to the other side, you have wide 1x, 2x, 4x, up until 6x. Back to wide. You get your beautify mode. You get your filters. Oh, pro LUTs. Look at that. And then you can shoot 4K 30, 4K 24, 4K 30. Yeah. You also get a 200 megapixel mode because, of course, your shooter on the back, there's a 200 megapixel camera, and you get a document scan. On to selfies. Hey, you get 1080 or 720, 30 or 60 FPS. And then can you zoom in or out? No, you cannot. You have your more detailed beautify mode, pro LUTs as well, and then different filters. Photo allows for a wide and a 1x. And then you can also access the beauty mode here, filters here, portrait, zoom in and out, no, but you can toggle the blur on the portrait mode, also the beauty mode and the filters. And then you also get a night mode that can do wide and 1x 1x, and then we're back to more. Now let's see some sample shots. And that was our first look at the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Let me know if you want to see me do a camera vlog test or a social media test. Let me know. That's it for today's video. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.